Okay guys, I didn't think I was going to attempt to fly this, but the winds have died down and I think the soccer practice has moved further away, so I don't want to disrupt them still. But maiden flight, elevator check, left, right. Get the throttle hold off. I'm just going to chuck it by 2 o'clock and see what happens. Grab it and go if it falls. Where's the wind? I don't think there's any wind. Let's give it a go. Let's go that way. Alright, easy launch. Okay. That's like 50% throttle launch. CG is good. It's going to keep it up high. Slow and easy. Throttle through the turns. Glide, throttle off. Look at that. Go back around. How much room here is power line to my right. I gotta keep that speed up. I don't want it to stall. Okay, 75% power. There's no yaw on this, there's no rudder. Alright, throttle off, glide. Look at that. It is floating. Try a loop. Try a loop the other way. Into the wind. Power lines, watch out. Let's do a roll first. Let's roll left. Ooh, there is no roll authority. Not gonna attempt to do that. Gonna have to need a long glide slope come in. It's nice and chill. I like it. I'll probably do a loop. Let's try. Get some speed. Let's get up higher. Yeah, hold on a second. Come back in. Let's gain some altitude. I don't know how much elevator there's there. Let's get up there. And we'll do a loop coming back this way since the wind is to my right. Here we go. Down, give some down, loop it. Oh, easy. Yeah. Do that again. And going up. And a little bit of a barrel roll, I guess. It's getting hot out here. There's a pond in front of me, retention pond. Stay away from that. I don't think there's any roll authority though. We'll try and come back this way. Stick it up high again. Gonna try to roll left. Full throttle. Barely. Let's loop it. Alright, sort of another barrel roll. Throttle off. Turn. Let's try to do a low glide for a practice land. It is hot out. Alright, coming in. And I might have to work right there. Alright. I'll have to try to take off again, but not enough speed. Let's try that again. Oh man, it's hot. Half throttle takeoff, hand launch. Try to do a speed loop, what do you call it? Circle loop here, circle run. No trees in the way. Keep full throttle. There's no rudder to correct my nose, but watch out for the power lines. Oh, that was messy. Alright. Let's get up there high and just glide it down. Full throttle. TOS is pretty weak. Let's get a little bit higher. Turn into the wind. Power off. That's glide, 0 throttle. That's pretty level. Maybe a little bit of left roll. I'm gonna fix that. That or the wind's pushing it around. I think we're gonna call it. It's only 800 milliamp battery. Let's go out there and bring it in. Coming in hot. Do that again. Loader. Like it, not bad for the Maiden. Have to put a 3S in there with a higher amp ESC, see if that will kick it up some. We'll trim it to the left a little bit.